wealth pours into my life daily. My bank account grows daily. I have achieved financial security in my life. I am filled with gratitude and joy, and I love that more and more money is flowing to me daily. Money is flowing to me in avalanches of abundance from unexpected sources. I deserve to be prosperous and to have an abundance of money in my bank account. All my dreams, goals, and desires are instantaneously met. The universe is on my side, and it is guiding me toward wealth and abundance. I love money and all it can buy. I feel grateful that my net worth increases substantially each year. Ideas for how to make more money come to me often. I feel good about money. I can do good things with the money I have. I release all my negative thoughts about money and allow financial abundance to enter my life. Opportunities to make more money come to me effortlessly. I attract money with ease, and I now have more wealth than I ever thought possible. I am wealthy, and I feel incredibly good about it. I have a great relationship with money. I am grateful for all the money that I have in my bank account. Every day I am attracting more money into my life. I attract money effortlessly. I am a money magnet, and money will always be attracted to me. I am not relaxing into greater prosperity. I release all opposition to money. I deserve to have a ton of money in my bank account. Ideas for making money are freely entering my life. Abundance is all around me, and I feel gracious about it. Being wealthy is my natural state of being. The universe is helping me attract money into my life daily. I am prosperous, and I am grateful for all the good things in my life. It is very easy for me to make more money. I am a natural born money maker. I am ready and willing to receive more money now. My income substantially increases every year. Attracting money is easy for me. Financial success is my birthright. Thank you, universe, for allowing me to live in prosperity. I am the creator of my life. I have always been destined to become wealthy. I find a lot of opportunities in my life to create prosperity and abundance. I am grateful I get to live in prosperity. I now live in abundance. Money comes to me with ease. I see unlimited opportunities for creating more wealth in my life. I feel grateful for the money I have. Being wealthy and having a lot of money affords me the opportunity to make the world a better place. It feels fantastic to have a lot of money. The universe responds to my prosperity mindset by providing me with more opportunities to make money with ease. I visualize being wealthy every day, and I send good vibrations out to the universe about money. I'm a money magnet that attracts money from all kinds of places. I am abundant every day, in every way. I am gracious for all the prosperity I receive every day. My money multiplies because I pay myself first. I constantly am able to find and come up with more ways to make money with ease. Money is an important part of my life, and I give it the time and attention that it deserves. Money allows me to help more people. Money allows me to spend more time with my loved ones. Money allows me to have more wonderful experiences. Having more money is a good thing for my life and will allow me to do the things I desire. I love money and all the things that it lets me accomplish. I deserve to be wealthy and to live my life in abundance. I continuously have a substantial surplus of money at the end of every month. I continually learn from others who live in financial abundance. My actions create a lot of value for others. I am a person of great value. I make my money work for me. I am a great money manager. I am grateful for the ability the universe provides me to make a lot of money. My financial reality is in my total control. Money is my servant. I have everything that I need to create financial abundance in my life. There is enough money for me to create a prosperous life. I trust that the universe will always meet my needs. I am great at managing my money. I am the master of my money, and I am in control of my finances. I am a millionaire. I think like a millionaire, I act like a millionaire, and I feel like a millionaire. I allow wealth to enter my life. I allow prosperity to enter my life. I allow abundance to enter my life. I am fully receptive to all the wealth that life offers me. My success is important and necessary. All my dreams have come true. I create wealth, therefore I am always wealthy. I expect to achieve success in all of my endeavors and allow success to be my natural state in life. I am able to move past challenges and mistakes quickly and effortlessly. Money comes to me in an easy and effortless way. I align myself with the energy of wealth and abundance. I use my money to better my life and the lives of those around me. Money creates a positive impact on my life. I allow my wealth to expand, and I live in comfort and joy every day. I am able to make a ton of money doing what I love, and I am fully supported in all my ventures. I think positive money thoughts daily. I have plenty of money for my needs and plenty for the needs of others. By living my purpose, I attract abundance in my life.